clenched jaw is an example of the mind-body-spirit connection. A clenched jaw is a symptom of what's taking place on an energetic and emotional level, whether you're aware of it or not, consciously or unconsciously. Emotional reactions that are at the root of jaw clenching are the desire to control things outside of you, anxiety, or not knowing the future, fear of something harming you, allowing oppression, or just feeling disempowered. Perhaps it's uncertainty. Most likely, though, it's not only your jaw that's tense and wound up. Notice where else you're hanging on to life and trying to control things outside of you. It's an illusion. Ask yourself where you can let go of that illusion. Give yourself and your body some relief. A wise response to any symptom, such as jaw clenching, is first awareness and then observation. By tracing the symptoms back to the cause and removing it, then any further ailment can be avoided, along with disease. Now, many of the medical approaches just mask the symptoms. In this case, that would be wearing a mouth guard. It's something that allows the issue to continue, but more comfortably. And perhaps it keeps you from grinding your teeth down as quickly. Jaw clenching is related to the Vishuddha chakra, the throat chakra, where you may ask yourself, where in life am I not expressing myself? What needs to be said or addressed or changed in my life? And let's look at the expressions that we have in the English language that are associated with masking your feelings. Keep a stiff upper lip. Grin and bear it. These both insinuate a clenched jaw. Do you ever feel like you're carrying a heavy load for others or acting out some kind of martyrdom in your life? This is something that's called codependency. On a physiological level, a clenched jaw correlates with excess pitta and or vata doshas. So one low-hanging fruit in terms of cause is caffeine, which increases stimulation and intensity in us. Did you know that caffeine has a half-life of about 5 hours? So if you drink a cup of coffee or tea at 9 a.m., at 2 p.m., you still have half of it, 50% of it in your body. And at 7 p.m. that night, 25% is still in your body. And at midnight, you have about 12.5% in your system. So it's no wonder you can't relax, even in your slumber and going to sleep. And as I mentioned, that tension will often manifest as tooth grinding. It's important to get some exercise and move your energy every day, your prana, your life force. Ideally, you might break a sweat or do something that has you breathe and use your body, and waking up without straining it. Take a look at what you're feeding your sense organs. Don't consume more content of any sort than you need. Cramming more into your day doesn't make it better. Cramming more information into your intellect is also not better. True luxury, consider this. True luxury is spaciousness. Be intentional with your time and what you choose to take in. Just like if you go to an art gallery, it has sparse white walls, so that we can marvel at the paintings, at the artwork that's there. So let your mind be clear so you can be present for the things that really matter to you and access them with ease. What can you remove from your life today to lighten your load? Prioritize spending some time by yourself, doing nothing, in nature or relaxing at home, where you can switch everything off. Make it a regular retreat for yourself. You could also do some things, like a facial massage. You can chew a tablespoon of white rice before going to bed. This actually is a very simple thing that works really well. You chew it for 5 minutes, let the paste remain there, and then after the 5 minutes, you spit out the pulp. Of course, pranayama and meditation, breathing helps not only to calm the dosha, but helps to organize our energy. And setting up your bedroom as a sweet and tranquil place, making sure that you keep enough space away from your electronics. It's also nice to journal before going to bed to clear your mind. Make a list of all the things that you think you need to do tomorrow, put it on the list, it's done, put it away, so that you can go to bed with a blank slate. And then having some warm milk at night with a little nutmeg in it. This is something that also helps.